everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this Christmas wreath. You can use it for any crafts you like: cardigans, blankets, bags, pouch, and anything you like. Let's go for it. Start with magic ring. Make an X around your finger. Insert your hook inside it and make a chain. Then make 2 chain as 1 double crochet. We have 3 chain as 1 double crochet, and then make 11 double crochet into the magic ring. And then pull the yarn as you can, that your circle closed. Join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain and make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the same space that we made 3 chain. Then make 2 double crochet into the each next 11 stitches. 2 double crochet into the each stitches. Repeat until the end. Then join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off by the needle. Hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Here is our center of the ring, and now with the green color must make popcorns stitches. Insert the hook in any stitch you like and bring the yarn out from there and make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and make 3 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 and 3. Bring out the hook from there. Insert the hook inside the first double crochet and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. In the next stitch, we must make 1 popcorn crochet, make 3 double crochet in the next chain, and then make it as a popcorn crochet. Insert the hook inside the first double crochet and make a popcorn crochet. In the next stage, make 4 double crochet and then insert the hook inside the second double crochet and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. In the next stage, make a 1 popcorn crochet. Until the end of the row, we must make a 1 double crochet and 1 popcorn crochet in the one stage and 1 popcorn crochet in the next stage. Do it until the end. Look, this is a 1 double crochet and 1 popcorn crochet. Actually, we must make 4 double crochet in the one stage and then make a 1 popcorn crochet by 3 double crochet of 4th double crochet. Do it until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of first of the row here and cut the yarn and fasten off. Or to make it as a square, insert the hook inside any stitch you like and make 6 chain. And in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch make 1/2 double crochet, and in the each next 3 stitches make 1 single crochet, and in the next 2 stitches make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and in the next stitch make 2 double crochet. From here we must repeat the pattern from the first half double crochet to the 2 double crochet in the corner. Make 1/2 double crochet in the each 2 next spaces and make 1 single crochet in the each next 3 stitches and make 1/2 double crochet in the each 2 next spaces. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat it until the end of the row. In the end make 1 double crochet before the stitches we made and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain and make 6 chain as 1 treble stitch and make 2 treble stitch in the 2 chain spaces in the corner, and then make 1 double crochet in the each next stitches until the end. In the corners make 2 treble stitch, 2 chain, 2 treble stitch, and in the each stitches make 1 double crochet. Do it until the end. In the end make 1 treble stitch into the corner space and join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain. You can make this square as big as you want and continue it in any round you want. I want to make 1 round more and go to the chain space by the slip stitch and again make 6 chain as a treble stitch and 2 chain and again make 2 treble stitch in the corner and then make 1 double crochet in the each space and in the corners make 2 treble stitch, 2 chain, 2 treble stitch. Do it until the end. In the end join with the slip stitch and cut the yarn and fasten off. And now to make a bow tie you can use any extra yarn you have at home. I use this yarn. Make a slip knot on the hook and then make 8 chains and now in the back loop must make single crochet. Make a 1 single crochet in the each chain in the back loops on each chains until the end, and then make a chain and turn your work and again in the back loop make a single crochet in the each chains. Do it as 8 rows or 10 rows as you like. Sewing it and make your bow tie. by the needle. Insert your needle in middle of the rectangle that we made, and again move on between the rows and push the tail of the yarn and pull around a bow tie, and then swing it and place it on top of the ring that we made and sewing it. Hide the tail of the yarns. Move on between the stitches. Don't push too hard the needle and cut it. This is our Christmas wreath drawstring. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy crocheting. Until the next time, goodbye.